You hear the yo.
Yeah.
Big shout out to Tony Tetula, Two-Face, and Rough, Rugged and Raw. These guys now legend, whether you like it or not, because the music industry they currently enjoy right now, they contribute a lot majorly what their time. Not just say that they make the kind of money when these are artists of these days they make. So big shout out to those legend, living legend for that matter. See Naija FM 102.7. Now you position both live and direct money runs with R&B and
Becca Bliss.
And you know, on a regular Tuesday, we usually get a member area where you got let us know what they happen for your area, do all the give us. But today, something different is happening. We dey bring somebody come do a member give us. Yes, you go do a member. You too go get opportunity to tell us some question when you don't hear around. Say, how far this a member clarify am. You understand? And today we get the one and only the Labour Party governorship candidate for inside Lagos State, Gbadebo Rhodes Vivour.
Gbadebo Rhodes Vivour.
They be like Spanish name, mom.
No, be na Lagos Island name. Now we be almost a cool dada.
So for those who don't know, GROV as they popularly called now Lagos politician and activist, and also the Labour Party candidate for Lagos State. For Lagos State on day right now, in architect by trade, who get passion for development, transforming human life. He also did educated for Bodo Ibo, Nottingham, and MIT. Wow. He also does work with Chinese and American government on top of urban planning and get plenty knowledge, or even call it vast knowledge for different high level. As Lagosian with family with deep history for the city, he does see plenty changes for inside the state. And he know the people say, come on, una deserve better compared to what una they wait they collect before. And those betterments when you say you believe say in get for people now want to talk about today. We'll talk about plans for Lagos. If by the next election, which is like
few days to go,
if you become governor, maybe you go let you know, you go now go experience the change. So, bros, Oga, senior man, welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to be here.
Okay, we're happy to get you too. I want your first start. I don't know if Wikipedia they lie. They say you be 39 years old.
Yes, sir. March 8th, 1983, and I get my birth certificate. Okay. No be like all these people where they talk see them born this day, but they're not sure which day them born.
Okay.
Not too young to run.
Not too young.
You know now. And even that 39, no be say young like that. Okay. Because youth don't stop for 35.
Oh no! Oh, they don't bring a call for 45.
He no even supposed to reach that 35.
But officially na 45 before.
Nah, like. The problem is say all these old people with their politics, they won't die on top of the matter. So that's why when person will be 40 years old, they go see the talk say the person are youth. 40 years will not be youth. Okay. But you still they young, sha.
Now some might feel you don't even answer my question when I want to ask you, because what I want to ask you, what do you consider 39 years old with running for governorship position for inside a state where over 20 okay, I think estimated right now 22 million people. Yes. Now the question I want to ask you before.
But when we enter, because over 60% of these 20 million people, then they under between 25 to from 0 to 25. So the people where they that age bracket go understand the things where they need pass. You understand? And the world don't they move. The world don't they change. We need person where if they run analog system for digital world. We need person will be person of the time. Okay. We go understand. We get the energy, vibrancy to be able to. We go carry Lagos reach where it's supposed to.
Okay, so for you now, for that statement, if you say Lagos never did where it's supposed to.
At all. People they suffer for this Lagos, and they're not supposed to suffer like this.
For some people now, they go start to ask, say, why you want start with governorship. I don't know if you don't.
I don't contest. The first time where I contest, now after I lead 2,000 people go. Senate House go protest against one thing where the Minister of Agriculture won't do. The way they do me, I feel say we need person we get the people for mind today inside politics. That's why I come back to Lagos. I joined Kowa Party. Okay. I run for local government chairman of Ikeja. Okay. After that one, I joined PDP because I understand politics deeper.
If you don't do the bigger side,
you understand.
Okay.
But no, we say that bigger structure is day important, and you also I run for Senate
for under PDP.
PDP, I was central candidate in 2019.
They not give you.
They rigged that thing, They ring out. Well, you know how these people then do.
And that 2019, you did young, much younger than.
I did 35
that time.
Okay, 35.
35, and that now the largest local the largest central district for Nigeria by population. Lagos West, now 10 local governments, over 11 million people did that side.
Already.
So now the largest central district for Nigeria, and I get the most votes for my party. So after Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and me, but then do mago for that election. I sure say you see wetin happen for Kotaway, all these area boys come carry the ballot. They do the same thing for Ajero.
So now that thing affect your vote?
It affect them. It affect them all across. So we know wetin happen. But the good thing we say now we don't get beavers.
Yes.
Now our electoral system don't deep. And now more people don't determine say they go come out vote.
So you feel say waiting affect you, where affect your vote when you contest as local government chairman and also contest as senator. You feel say no go affect you now when you want to go for governorship because of the beavers.
You know why? Yes. Because now then they do something where they call electronic transmission of vote. So from that polling unit, they go transmit the results. See, all the mago they happen for ward collation. For when local government coalition, they go just switch off all the lights, chase all your people out, bring all the area boys come inside, then they go write the result. They no fit do that one again. That's why you see wetin happen for Osun. With all the billions then carry go Osun, the people talk say na Adeleke they want, and they vote for him, and na the thing where we see.
Okay.
They say the people's voice is the voice of God. But for Lagos, for Nigeria, you see they go do mago to show up to people's voice.
So you feel
but that one don't change.
You feel say with beavers now, those idea or ideology of rigging don't change.
It don't change. They go still try do something. But the point be say two things. One, these beavers don't come, we go allow for all the results to transmit electronically. The second thing be say a lot of people don't wake up to their responsibility, say they're supposed to participate, they're supposed to vote. See, when plenty people come vote, it is hard to rig. Now when people no come out, people feel just sit down and write anything, don't print anything. But once people come out, they don't feel do anything.
So one of the biggest government position for Lagos, not the governorship, we should not decide one take right now. But my question I say, why under Labour Party? Now I just go straight. Now the influence when Peter Obi get on Labour Party, now it make you say, okay, let me leave PDP where I try when it don't work. May I come a new party when we say people don't they kind of like embrace because one man decide join forces with them. Abi now say you don't dey under Labour Party before Peter Obi on.
No,
sure?
Peter Obi enter Labour Party first, but I don't already start to talk with Labour Party as into the move.
Okay.
You understand? But you see the thing be say, you see God they do certain things when he come back, you will look like say you plan him, but the truth be say you no plan him. Even Peter Obi, if you talk to him, he will also say this thing way don't happen. He no see say it go happen. Now just faith. Because he believes say it don't reach time for us for Nigeria to get servant leader. People will get compassion for the people. People will want, enter work for the people. They won't enter work for the people. So they don't want buy their way into position. Because all the people will go bring money, spend money on election day. When they enter, they don't go work for the people now. They don't go work for people. We supposed decide what we want. If we want person we go rule over us, making family rich, making friends rich, that one one thing. If we want person we go work for us, make our life better, that one another thing. And that's the same way Peter Obi they bring. And that now I myself I like him.
So you sure say you different from every other people.
Oh yes, you feel check my track record. That's why I follow Peter Obi because I believe in that idea of politics, servant leadership. No be say you be oga of the people. The people now your oga, and that no the way where Nigeria and Lagos go move forward. Until we get that kind of thing, because if we talk say we just they wait for person make them share money, make them give us this, give us rice, give us all this, all that money come from somewhere. As they enter, they go recoup that money.
Plus more.
Because the next 4 years, they go not do anything for 4 years. And next 4 years, they go come use that money. They go use your own money, buy your votes. You don't see that kind of thing. So take money for you. Use that your same money, buy your votes, make it stay for power again. So maybe we change this narrative, maybe we change this idea. And that's how Nigeria and Lagos go move forward.
All right. So maybe we just move to the other questions right now. Let's say, okay, you win by February 2023. Maybe come into the construction works. We say they go on for inside Lagos right now. A lot of construction works where this current administration never even finish, and they cause plenty traffic. Recently, a lot of Lagosians they complain of the fact they go spend 3 hours, 4 hours for inside traffic. Go their house. The next morning again, they are out already. to face the same traffic. So let's say you come with this governor for inside Lagos now. Wetin you go do different? You know, we go reduce the traffic situation for inside Lagos.
My sister, I thank you for this your question. You see, these people where they govern Lagos, them be wicked people. Wickedness did their heart. Now because see, then they do politics, tokenism. Now they won't do all these projects. They don't get 3 years old. But because election done, they come, you see that they go do the back. Something where they're supposed don't do. Look at this train system where they talk say then they do. They're supposed to do 660 kilometers. Now only 16 kilometers they don't do. It don't reach past 15 years. They don't collect over 1.2 billion for almost 15 years. They never deliver anything. That is supposed to be 160 kilometers. Now only 16 they don't do. The rate where then go, where then they do. Now 200 years it go take for them to finish everything. But for this same Nigeria, Lagos to Ibadan, now 175 kilometers, then do them for 5 years. So the thing we say, all these people, they almost want to they punish us, make we see say then they work. It almost be like say if they pain them, say then they use this money, they work. So may we to feel the pain. They want me with day traffic, they see say then they work. But it's not supposed to be like that. Look at Japan, China, they go work for nights. Plan everything so the people's life exactly so their life no go inconvenience. The most important thing are the quality of life where our people supposed get. So everything we want to do, whether they work or whether they do project or whether they do construction, we go still make sure say the quality of life of the people then go still they go, we no go suffer them. But these ones they won't make they go wait till when it don't near election start to they do work. That's why I see all the problem everywhere. But if they don't, they do these things since it no go day like this. But when we see past all these politics and tokenism, then they do every 4 years you go hear Fourth Mainland Bridge.
Yeah.
You don't they hear them again. That 2019 you hear them, but nothing happen. If we wait for this government, imagine if this government we got to build this Third Mainland Bridge. We no forget any Third Mainland Bridge by now. But now military build them. All the infrastructure where they Lagos. Now mainly military. Now people will build them before them. So we need a government we go transparent. We go use the money where we get, do the thing for the better price. Because now that they do things, they will talk say bridge now 1 naira, they go do it for 4 naira. That means say you supposed to get 4 bridges, but you get only 1. And that's why we go open all our books. This one way nobody fit talk say now this thing cost, now this thing cost. For my government, you go know this bridge now 100 naira. The contractor will build them he profit on top the scene now 20 naira.
Okay, so you they try to say you go bring transparency.
That's not the foundation projects of my government. Transparency. So all of us, because you see the thing with Lagos, we say all the money we Lagos get. Nigeria get 2 presidents. President for Aso Rock and president for Lagos. Lagos governor no be just governor because Lagos State fit do anything like
based on their revenue
with or without the federal government
assistance.
So they are the 4th largest economy for Africa. So we must make sure say this money.
So if you say we suppose to do more,
yes, so much more, and we supposed to take the election of Lagos State seriously. No be say after presidential we go sleep for house because if Lagos work, Nigeria go work. If Lagos work, Nigeria go work.
Okay. With the way they yarn right now, they be like say, oh, now you want to bring that whole change waiting Lagosians already they used to. But deep down your heart, running on that Labour Party, yes, I know say Peter Obi, one of the biggest question when they raise when Peter Obi even moved to Labour Party and say, you they go party when no get structure. And all of us know the definition or the ideology behind having structure. Which you will say agree say over time for Lagos now it don't make us get this same governors. You feel say you fit overcome those structures right now because if you see as an average woman for mainland right now, go tell you say see now what I want be this this English when you speak I don't want that now on one side. Then you feel say under Labour Party. I don't know if you share the ideology where Peter Obi I know they give shishi too. You they give shishi, I be not they give shishi. I be they give small shit.
My brother, we need do everything we need to win this election. That's the first thing. Secondly, this structure where they talk say they get. Now the same structure they destroy Lagos. The structure now Gbadebo structure. Where they attack people. Where even bus driver they complain. Where market woman they complain. Whether the market woman are Igbo, whether the person na Hausa, whether the person na Yoruba from Lagos Island, all of them they complain the same thing. Now the same structure they destroy all the lives of these our young men. With them they on drugs. All of them they don't get employment. Now this same structure then they use steal money share. That's not structure. Our own different. Our structure now the people, and we don't they build our structure.
So how far you don't go? Because I go through your campaign arrangement. I noticed you don't meet with some people all around Lagos. I see some pictures of meeting when they do. So far so good. With those people you don't meet, you feel say you don't convince them enough to look.
My brother, make I tell you something. See, this big people where we think say them big. This APC. Now only 700,000 people vote them into office. Out of over 6 million.
6 million. Yeah, 6 million.
Now 7 million people day. That means say no reach even 10% we vote them into office. So they're no popular. The problem is say we know they come out. We know they come out, come vote.
Okay,
and now the people where they with us, they won't come out, come vote for the first time. We get plenty first time voters. We go come out, come vote this time. And you know something? The thing is say a lot of people they know they suffer. They don't even know how things something feel better.
So they don't do use to the suffering.
But now the people we know how things go better. The people where they see say the diesel, the petrol, all the price don't go up. They want better Nigeria. Those are the people where they talk to. That's why I did here. They go hear me. They go come out, call vote. That's not the way we will go change Nigeria. We don't feel leave election to people where they decide with their belly. We need people where go decide with their head because they think not just about themselves but their children where they come. You understand? And let me tell you one more thing. You never even see the full extent of meeting we don't do because a lot of things we do now underground. Because then they attack our people. Even up to yesterday for Ojo, they use machete for one of our people head.
Hold on. We don't hear. I go call them allegation, but I like the fact that you're talking right now.
We get the picture and we fit identify them. This happened day for yesterday.
So even I think it's that last week, news even come around say for Labour Party to even get place to rent to take use as their meeting.
No problem.
Say landlord not agree because of the fear say if they give you now, boys go come attack.
Exactly.
Really true.
Yes, not true.
So Labour Party not get small offices.
We get offices, but now struggle where we not supposed they deal with. You understand? And then they attack our people, they harass our people. That's not why you think everything quiet, but we they do a lot of work on the ground.
Okay, so you wait till they try to tell me now say because of the fear of attack, we not fit do things openly. One and they would they. You should see that one go day advantage on your own side.
That on it their advantage because see all these things where then they do. Then they anger people more. Then they ginger people more. Because if you don't do power for 20 years, why you they fear? Why won't they suppress people? If you don't do well for your people, why they fear? Why they suppress people? Make people vote. If you don't do well, you don't commission. Shebi Buhari come here, commission this, commission that. Most days say nobody fit try us. Because you get all the money, you get everything. Hey, let everybody. But no. Then they harass people. Then they suppress people. So that thing, see, bully go continue to they push you until you stand up, push them back, and that's the thing we will go do for this election.
All right, make I move to this one right now because they talk to Lagos now, mega city. Lagos is a mega city, but Lagos is a dirty city. If you look dirty. Everywhere, you go see say waste full everywhere they dirty.
Yes.
Can't they be like say the waste management people they feel overwhelmed with your work.
Yes.
So as you like, hopefully, if you enter by February now. How you want to take manage waste because now them they caught flood.
Yes.
You know how the flood take happen last year everywhere they flooded.
Yes.
So how you want to take manage this waste management plus flooding for inside Lagos?
Thank you. That's a very good question. So you see the same way that they do for this Lagos state, they know they manage waste. Then they dump waste. People no call them waste management. Waste management now when you they collect waste you they create value, they recycle, you they upcycle, you they create electricity from them, you they create organic fertilizer from them, you they take the plastic, recycle them. But they know they do them like that. They also carry all the waste, dump inside one truck. And we don't even get enough trucks. Why? Because you must to know person way they inside APC to fit participate for this their PSP program. When me I enter, we go open them transparently, just like Uber. If you get the bus, or if you get the truck and you meet all our requirements, you don't participate.
Now you make mention of Gbadebo.
Yes.
When be part of the structure, when people they always boast of so you can get. Now if you become governor, whether you like or not, Gbadebo Now human being there be.
Now
yes, people children, now people brother, now people sisters or whatsoever. I don't know if women they part of them. Waiting be your plans and solution to get there out of the street, because the only way to stop Agbero
is to engage
I agree. See, even make I even add to that your thing. On Saturday, around this VI, as I come up for one radio station, all the way see me, Gbadebo, Governor, Alaye. Every time before I give them anything, I will first ask, see, if I give you a job, tell me honestly, you go do them. And you know that voice where then they give, Alaye, the voice could just calm down.
Yeah.
One of them be graduate of Unilag from art department. The other one be graduate of Nsuka. I like 10 guys surround me. All of them, then they tell me about their life. Some of them be papa, some of them get children. They no one day streets. Now because they don't get any alternative, that's now why they streets. So the first thing, one, the drug problem with our youth, we go tackle them as health problem, no be criminal problem. So we go do rehabilitation. We go do rehabilitation and we go tie this thing to local government. So it no go be state thing. Because state thing no they go down. Each local government can get rehabilitation center for all these young men. That's the first thing. The second thing we say, we go work with them. Say, okay, these are the type skills we want teach you for free. In fact, we go do program will be food for skills. So you know, say when you come here, come learn, you go chop that day. So these are the skills where you want. Then once we now seal down, once you graduate for that program, we go down incentivize companies. Say, oh yeah, if you hire these people, we come from this place for this local government, we go reduce the tax we go they pay. Okay. Let me give you an example. All this our local government, all their inner rules, they're bad. Because state government know they give the local government money.
They give them chance to tell you that.
We will go support local government autonomy.
So you wait till the time you go let local government federal government share.
Yes. And also we go make sure.
You know, say with the record this thing that.
That's now why they talk like this. So if you play am for me, you understand? When I become governor. So the thing we say for all those places, we will get local government chairmen will be potential governors. No be reformed Agbero, be local government chairman. No. Intelligent people way in 4 years time, in 8 years time, they feel wrong for governor, we go take them seriously. That's not the type of people we need for local government. Now, when they do these rules for inside, because we get plenty work to do for inside that place, we go train all the young men we did that local government. Say, okay, you feel work, you feel learn all this trade to do construction, they do all this thing. Now, those people, when contractor come there, they must employ them from this local government
first.
So that money where they spend go cycle inside that local government. No be say you go bring people, if they do work for Agege, you go bring people from Alimosho, where you pay them, they carry that money, go spend for Alimosho. No. We want that money for Agege, make it cycle inside Agege. So all the young men we graduate from this program, then go work for this construction company. That not even the thing we go look, say, okay, you will want to do this job, you will want to do this job. You they employ more young people for this local government, now you go get this job. That's not one of the way. That are just one example. Many other examples still there. We then get fishing, aquaculture. We want to extend that value chain. Train all these young men how they go fit learn skills, participate inside that value chain. For Badagry way tourism day. And then also, not be just down, informal skills, vocational skills, how to make furniture, how to be welder, how to do tiling.
Because everybody not work for office. Actually.
Exactly. Yeah. For Lagos State, I be architect. When we want to do tiling, we want to do POP, you go bring people from Cotonou, from Togo. Why? Because they get the skill. If you want neat job, then we talk about quality finishing. Now them you go bring. Because our people for Lagos, they don't get the skill.
Young boys now not get.
They don't get work. But the thing we say, if we tell them, see, if you learn this thing well, you feel they work for Julius Berger, they go to pay you better money. If you want to learn computer, we are doing vocational training places in each local government. Whether I want to learn how to code, because now the thing where they reign now in demand job. So nobody say now only Nigeria go to determine whether you get work or not. If you dey Lagos, they work for America. Once you get the skill, now no be certificates where they make things happen. Now the skill where you get.
All these things sweet for theory. You feel say if you enter based on practical.
My brother, see, Alhaji Lateef Jakonde, he no get experience for government before he become governor. But the thing with that man do in 4.5 years, this government never fit do him for the last 20 years. People still they talk Jakonde school, Jakonde housing, Jakonde hospital, Jakonde. 4.5 years. Now he take John because the man get love for the people. And that's not the same way they miss for this our politics. We need people we get sense and we get heart and love for the people.
So the ones who don't get before not get all those qualities.
They there to steal money for themselves, their family, and their friends. And we they see them for Lagos. Lagos no be just Ikeja to Lekki. Go inside Apapa. Go inside Surulere. Go inside Mushi. Go inside Agege. Then go talk say mega city. No be the only thing we mega about Lagos State now the amount of people where they here.
So when it comes to infrastructure, and
it no be mega city. Lagos State was supposed to be the capital, the commercial capital of Naija. It they rank about 17 or 18 on ease of doing business. It rank lower than Kaduna where they deal with Boko Haram. These are the things where we need to address.
All right, I want to call the WhatsApp number right now. If you get questions for the Labour Party gubernatorial candidate,
Gbadebo Rhodes Vivour.
Yes. Now time for you to start to send in your messages. The WhatsApp number is 090-8285-8887, 090-8285-8887. So I want to enter educational sector right now, because if you check, a lot of us they really send our children to go public school.
Exactly.
Again.
Now only 12%.
You get they talk say public school, their teachers and every they give the standard form of education to the children anymore. So when you enter power right now, how you go make the educational sector they very, very okay back, so that parents rather we want send their children go school. If you talk okay, I dey sure say
school.
My child could do well for public school.
Be said, you see before public school, because the quality of education good, person will be driver, person will know they earn too much, they fit put their children for public school.
They get brilliant children.
And that pressure no go dey them when time for pay to school to pay school fees.
Yes.
But now driver made everybody they hustle, they find money, make them send their children go private school. These are the thing where they cause heartache, heart attack, stress for people for this Nigeria. So government suppose they do things where we say they create better life for people, and this now one of them. Public school, we'll create quality public school. Me, I go the best school for this world, MIT. So I know the quality, good education they free give person. That's the same way we go big. We'll partner with NGOs, we'll partner with civil society, we'll partner with private sector for all these public schools. We'll invest, it will increase our teacher salary. We'll go review them upwards, at least minimum 100%. Then we'll go do trainings for all of them. We'll go invest in the education sector. Currently, they're between 4,000 naira per capita we then they spend for children. But even with that, now 2 million children where they out of school. And that one's still tying to the Agbero problem.
Exactly.
It's tying to Agbero problem because as you did there for primary 5, they see your older brother, they carry plastic, they hit car. If they bring money come out, you to go think say what they do for school. Make I go join them for there. That's not the first thing we will go correct. The second thing we say, we'll go invest in our teachers. We'll come create after school program. So children go to get practical application of knowledge. You see, all those things we learn for school, we will just the cram. What we don't use and do, what we know we supposed to use and do. All the experiments we did for school, we did drum. We never do anything. We just draw computer. You see children for Lagos, they still they draw computer. They never see computer press. Then they cram how they go use computer. These are the kind of things we will go address.
Okay. All right. Agreed to a morning run site and Said from First Tag the year. And I beg let me tell GVR say I be one of him follower right from days of Kowa Party.
Thank you.
Ian Suraj that year. Plus I get powerful waste management plan for Lagos using both traditional and modern technology to eradicate waste for our Lagos people.
Good. People they share the same idea too with you. Waste arrangement. Another question there.
Good morning to you all in the studio. My brother, you've spoken well, but the truth remains say really they easy to win governorship election for Lagos. So outside APC and Tinubu candidates.
Okay. So this one will make me go the next question right now. We know say before now the main opposition party for inside is Lagos or even Nigeria at large, not PDP. Which they see they struggle to still fight to even collect. Now Labour Party don't come in the picture, so we they look okay. Three party, no disrespect to other party, which still they Lagos. Now in all of this party, you go always hear Godfather. Even for one of your questions, you say, "Oh, people where don't they there, not they allow the younger ones bring face come outside." I want to ask you now personally, who be your Godfather? Who they give you mind?
Labour Party no get Godfather. That's not why you see.
That's not why. But
you see, the thing be say, this fight now David versus Goliath. People will see David where he won't fight that they talk say this small boy. Let's see he go do. Let's see if you just carry this. But you know our stone where will they polish now the people, and the people are ready. See
you sure say you don't really polish the people of
my
Lagos?
My brother. See just watch what thing go happen between now as we enter February. Just watch. The thing be say we see people don't tire. All this thing where they talk, oh, this party, this big man, this man. How many people they enjoy? They do blue line. Shebi they show video of blue line. Who used blue line this morning?
Now use blue line.
Who used blue line this morning? Something we don't supposed to use for 15 years. Nothing. So people don't see past all these politics, past all this tokenism, and they want quality government. We go serve them, and that's not the place where I put my belief and my faith. See. I know say all these big party they get the advantage, but the thing we say, you see, when you win like this, you are only accountable to the people. You don't get any baba where go they give 15% of IGR to. That money you go put them in education, you go put them in healthcare. So you don't go hospital, they go tell you say they don't get bed, they don't get oxygen. They'll tell you make you go back to your village. That's the kind of thing with the apple for Lagos.
All right. Jenny from Ijesha, please, I want to advise you that, sir, can you increase your visibility and campaign in Lagos?
We are going to do that.
Many people around Ijesha don't know you. Glad you went for the town hall meeting last Sunday. Please push more awareness.
Yes.
All right. Good morning, my governor. I pray your idea and vision for Lagos comes true. My question for you is, please, Mr. Governor, what will you do with the high rate of Agbero and area boys in Lagos?
We have addressed that
already. Good morning, Becca Bleed and R&B. Please, I want to ask people like me, who stop for SSC, where they do sales rep, how it go take help somebody like me?
So for people like that, because everything that we are doing, it dey around youth. So as long as they pay tax formally or informally and you're a resident of Lagos, you go belong to what they call the Commonwealth of Lagos. This Commonwealth of Lagos, you go register. It will allow you get access to affordable housing, allow you get access to healthcare insurance. It will allow you get access to credit. Nobody say we will give you 1 million. It will fit start from 50,000. You will fit start from credit to use bus. Let's say you don't get money today, but you expect say you will get money by end of the month. If you use that your card, enter bus, enter ferry for water, then at the end of the month you go pay. As you they pay, your credit go they increase because we need to bring credit into this our system. Be now madness.
Say that credit arrangement achievable.
It is achievable. It is achievable. See, the thing we say we will create a reward system.
For who pay back?
So the people where they do well, where they and this is not the way it is for all around the world.
Yeah, we know.
If you demand it, we go reward that one. Your credit go increase. And also for people where they civil service, where they work for government, you go fit get student loans so your children fit go to school. And then go pay back later on.
When they don't finish.
They don't finish.
Instead of saying no money, you can't
we
drop
go
out.
they reduce the pressure on all the parents then waiting for Lagos. So this is not the way we will go do. First, that's why I talk. See, this chain system is very important. That's why I go deliver them in 4 years. You see, when you don't do chain system, if you day for Ikorodu, if you get to Lagos Island in 45 minutes, it means say you no need to dey squat for your friend house for Lekki, or you no need to dey live for Shanti for Bar Beach, make you go work for VI. That's not the way other businesses too go locate for all these different places. We go decentralize development for Lagos. That's not the first thing. Secondly, we go do affordable housing. We go give the people open and transparent. Nobody say that they do affordable housing. They don't sell them among them friends before it can reach market. A person we won't buy, no go see to buy.
Or they increase the price.
Exactly. And then go sell them to the private sector. We go increase the price. All the housing we will go do, it no go pass a certain price. And if you no need them again, the government go take them back, give them to the person who need.
Visibility.
Yes.
Now, even of recent, people start to hear of your presidential candidate Peter Obi advance. Sometimes they'll call us. Why not they play only this APC? Why not they play PDP? Why don't they want to play?
Our strategy na surge strategy. I don't tell you say we no get bullion van. We no get any former thief for our party. All of us with a struggle. So we don't time say we go do all our media, all our things as they get close to election.
Okay.
So be say you go start when you don't reach time where you don't finish. No. So we don't tell you now. We won't come serve you. Okay. So we know this will not be investment. We will go come chop the money back when we enter office. So no, all of us will not be thief. We dey manage our resources properly, and that's now why you go see plenty media presence between now and the election.
So that means we're not ready to unleash.
We don't ready.
All
we
the
don't
money
ready
we
to unleash.
save now.
We don't ready to unleash. The time don't come.
Now I don't know if you personally, because I know I think Peter Obi campaign, Labour Party campaign for presidential actually get something like a funding, public funding.
Go fund me.
You personally, you get your own because. Now why I ask of Godfather? I wish you get Godfather now.
No, now the people wait for we go release that one. We do press conference. We'll go release the name.
Okay. Those who want support the ministry. Yes. Those were the question say
exactly. But
the
people, our people be people where they need to say you don't do something before then come add their own. That's now why from now to February we go push. Then we go now say we don't push. If we now want help, please. This is now how you feel help us.
Billboard will come. They allow now do billboard. They hear who say before they know the grill now because somebody picking the day
the story different.
But that really true.
But it's true. But the thing be say even if they give you billboard for 4 million and they give another party for free, he pay you make you do that billboard.
Okay. All right. Ben Nnamdi from Abuja. Say he want to ask you how you want to prepare the Lagos youthful generation to approach the modernized form of education in practical form. He say e.g. like robotics.
Exactly.
Like robotics kind of,
That are the thing where they make me cry inside because all these things where we see they talk, the world don't leave us.
They don't leave us.
There's Chat GPT. I don't know if you don't hear of that thing. This one are AI where it will replace everybody's job. In the next 10-15 years, we will see they find how we go give our people job. We don't even reach that side yet. But the thing where we say we want to make Lagos they where it's supposed to be now and start to set Lagos for where it's supposed to be in future. That's now why I talk. So we go have skill acquisition centers in each local government. So all these digital skills we go to teach them, coding we go to teach them, and we go to advertise them to the world. We go partner with people like my school, MIT. Now them be number one for this AI technology. We go partner with them. We go partner with Bill Gates. We go partner with Microsoft. Then go be part of all these things. So all these are our young people, innovative people. They go fit look outside the world. See, say they no need to jackpa to be there. They fit they Lagos, they earn dollars, they earn pounds.
Okay. Mr. John from Lagos Island, he say really you have jet age ideologies, but do you think the Godfathers will not affect your chances of making Lagos proud?
The thing be say this Oga we ask me that question. Make him do your own part. Make all of us do our part. All these Godfather way they call it, they sleep. Then the time they where they do their work. Some of these people where they call today, I know people will give them money when they first come out. They don't get money. But then do the work. The people where they around them believe them, put them inside office. This one our own generation. May we to do our own struggle, collect this power, make sure it work for us. When we don't suppose they defeatists, just they look this big man, this big. If the young men will fight the British do like this, we don't go get independence now. How old was Ababa Colley when he started fighting the British? Or Awolowo? If the people where they praise now no fight military, we know where we go still be. Every generation get the thing where they're supposed to do. We will not just they fear. Now power we go take them, we go use and make it benefit us.
All right, John from my papa, this one will be the last message. He say how you want to tackle cultism.
Yes.
For inside Lagos.
So the thing is still tied to this Agbero problem. You see, an idle mind now the devil workshop. If we no give these people something to do for hand, then we just they stand for corner, then go initiate them, put them on drugs, all these kinds of things. So the thing we say we want to make sure these people get alternative means of earning a living, make them become productive members of our society. Okay. I'll go work with them as like you talk. People, mama, people, brother. They no be our enemy, them they are our children.
Sure.
All right, this one will be the last one for me right now. You know, say the current government now, they declare some days, say make people go collect their PVCs. So for you now, how you take see this decision where the Lagos State government?
It's very good. I have to applaud them for that. I hope that the days, we can even have longer days. And I also hope that it's not just, you know, but then they go tell you say make you go collect PVC. Then they are thugs that their boys will go there PVC. Go hide people PVC.
Okay, welcome back. Still Naija FM 102.7. Now you position put live and direct. Money runs with R&B and Becca Blaze. And we get the Labour Party
governorship candidate. See how with your chest.
Gbadebo Rhodes Vivour. I see they try to get it. Bible. You said that Lagos Island.
Now Lagos family. Now we be almost a cool pataki.
That name too international, sha.
Like our package, I be say, be now you my born.
No.
Okay, strong Lagosian.
Strong Lagosian. Now we produce the second ever judge in Nigeria. City Hall we dey Lagos now on top of our family land then build them.
Okay.
So we no be today we start.
So you be strong man for Lagos normally now. So now all of us know say the governorship election, based on timetable, now the 11th of March 2020.
Yes.
Right now. Statistics don't show based on eligible voters say we get over 7 million voters.
Yes.
Now,
registered
voters. Now you know say 2019 that one alone half of Lagosians, half of these eligible voters never come as I come.
It pass half, 85%. Now only 15%
come
out.
Decide the fate of Lagos.
Yes.
So you want really tell me now say deep down your heart you feel say these people, or at least even though say 80% of them not come outside, maybe like 50. Or more than half will come outside based on your
that now the same way they work. You know, even the polling we don't do 8 out of 10 people with their hands, they talk say then go vote. Right? So the thing we say
go vote for
then go vote. Then
okay.
go vote.
Okay.
I know talk say then go vote from, but they talk say they go vote. That not even good thing. Make it not be 1 or 2 out of 10. At least if 8 out of 10 people vote, it means say reflect the thing where they their mind. You know, so that is very important for make everybody go collect their PVC. If you get any problem, make you escalate them. We they go see all the INEC people, make sure all the people where then they harass, where then they cheat, where they don't get their voters card, they will do something about it.
You know, lately some people they tell us say that they write their VIN number down. So I don't know, since you don't contest for something like this before, waiting they could use their VIN number do.
I don't hear many different things.
Yeah.
So, you know, this ruling party, they go say, okay, they go give you money. Maybe they go take that to go report to the people who give them the money to give you. You know, that's not the thing where I see.
They
don't fit users. They don't fit
that. We did BVs, you know, and also
because BVs, they're supposed to see your face. You know, like before, they will just collect all this card, give her to anybody who go vote. You know, if you do that on again.
Okay.
And incident form, know the way they go pretend, say, the card reader know they work. Oh, yeah, maybe just thumb print to go right time. That's not all the things where they do before. You know, if you do that on again.
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much. I don't know if you get last yans for the people of Lagos.
My people, the leaders we get now the reflection of the people we take elections seriously. Now I beg you. If you participate in this election, it go start to change the type of politicians we get. We supposed to get politicians we enter it dey for their mind make them serve you. No politician we go enter talk say you need to work, give one baba one money, make all our money they work for us. They make our life better. Our life, the children of our life, or the children we will get, make their life better. So may we vote, come out massively, so that when the politicians see the result, they go no say no be money he take enter office. Now una put on there, and now una go account to. Now una go work for. God bless you.
Thank you very much. We wish you success come March 11, 2023.
Thank you so much.
On top the governorship election for inside Lagos State. And even we also wish you success on top of our presidential election when they come 25th of February. Thank you very much. Say you grant our invite.
Always. Anytime you want me, I'm here for you.
Everywhere you enter, you go see.
See,
not we call you.
We must. We must maintain a relationship with the people. So that we can always get feedback. That's the problem. We say government too far from the people. They will come close before election. They will go far after election. We're supposed to continue like this, and that's the thing we are going to do.
Okay, thank you very much. See Naija FM. We're going to sign out right now with peace be unto you with Ashake. We're going to have peace we actually look for.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.